Hello my beautiful and creative friends, Olga Soby here, and as you know, this year I didn't have a chance to decorate for the Halloween. So I decided at least I'm going to do a neon fluorescent acrylic pour. So let's get started. You probably can't see me, but you can hear me and you can see all these beautiful glowing paints. So this is what I'm using today. I want to do a swipe, and first I want to add some hair serum to my black because I'm going to be using black as a swipe color. Okay, I added like 3 drops of that. And I want to do diagonal central swipe today. Okay, I just dropped the black paint, but I think I still have enough. Whoopsie. It's so awesome how this paint looks under the black light. I wish it was glowing like this all the time. It's just so cool. I did not add any silicone or hair serum to my fluorescent colors, only to black. So the previous color was orange and this one is pink, but they look almost exactly the same. So you see how the black is reacting with the yellow color. It's pretty cool. By the way, today I'm working on 12 by 12 canvas. I think I didn't mention before. I think that should be enough black. And as my swipe tool, I'm using a plastic sheet. It worked pretty well for my last pour, so hopefully it's gonna work just as good today. Oh, this is so cool! I just love it! Oh my gosh, you guys! So awesome! Okay, where is my wipe? Oh, I almost feel like I don't want to wipe this side. Even this one looks so good. But I have to if I want to use it again. Groovy. Okay, so I'm using the opposite side. Oh, I love it! Oh my god, this is so awesome! Okay, let's see if cells are gonna open anymore. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I don't really like how the sides look so far, so probably when this piece is dry, I'm just gonna paint the sides with just black. Pure black color. This line of black is a little bit not symmetrical. That's the only thing that I don't like. But my favorite cells, like those multicolor cells where there is a pink and orange and blue and like they create a very cool purple. Same on this side. I think it's awesome. I'm very happy. But yeah, overall, very, very cool. Let me know what do you think. How do you like my groovy neon, let's call it Halloweenish pour? I'm looking forward to hear from you, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe if you want to see more acrylic pouring experiments and techniques, and thank you so much for watching. Happy pouring and have a spooky Halloween. Bye bye.